What is Lambda versus Kappa architecture? Lambda architecture was designed to combine both batch and streaming. It uses two pipelines. One batch pipeline processes historical data to produce accurate results, and one streaming pipeline processes real-time data for immediate insights. Both pipelines produce outputs that feed dashboards and applications. Lambda matters because it tries to provide the best of both worlds, real-time speed and batch correctness. But it also creates duplication. You have to maintain the same business logic in two different systems, which increases engineering effort and risk. Over time, the batch and streaming outputs can drift, creating confusion in the business if real-time numbers and final numbers don't match. To simplify this, Kappa architecture was introduced. Kappa removes the batch layer and treats everything as a stream. Historical data is replayed through the streaming system where you need to rebuild results. This reduces duplication and keeps logic in one place. In modern data engineering, Kappa-style designs are popular when streaming platforms are stable and replay is feasible. Lambda is still used in environments where batch recomputation is safer or where streaming replay is not practical. Choosing between them depends on latency needs, data volumes, operational maturity, and how critical correctness is.